my name is Ruth Mackie-McCartan and I am the guest designer for box 5 of the Papercraft Society boxes. Very honoured and very excited to be able to do this, and even more excited to be able to actually answer some of the, if you like, needs that were given to me on Facebook. So I asked my groups that I'm in all the time, so the Hunkydorables, the Card Making Talkies, my Scan and Cut groups, all the groups that I'm a member of on Facebook, and I asked them, if you could choose what you would like in a box, what would you have? And the overwhelming answer was something for men and teenage boys. So I have come up with this idea of the Tuxedo box, which is great for parties and things, an exploding box as well, and also a die that you can make souk fronts with. We've got ties in there, we've got bow ties, we've got champagne. So this will cover most of your masculine makes across the board from 0 to 90, and in a very fun way with a fabulous bright, lively colour tones in there that I think is suitable, certainly for the men in my life. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some of the amazing masculine makes you can make with the contents of your box. So this is the first card that I made from the die in the box. So your die actually cuts this Tuxedo pop-up box. So this will fold completely flat to go into an envelope, which is brilliant. So nice to put a card in an envelope that has that wow factor when you take it out, but still goes through normal postage. So everything that you see here, you will be able to cut with dies from your box. So you get all the coloured card, you get the mats and layers for your box, you get all the elements for your box, and there's acetate in there as well. So this is really a sort of an open and play. You've even got the wording in there because you've got some toppers in there that give you that foiled extra look. And I've added some of those in, the silver letters, and I think, is there a, the champagne bottle is from the toppers. So a really, really fun card for any of the men in your life. So this is the second design of pop-up box that you're going to get in your box. This one is done with a template, but I don't know about you, but I really struggle with measuring and getting things absolutely perfect. And what this template does, it allows me to draw my lines and get a perfect finish every time. The mats and layers are paper from the box as well. The cardstock again I've used, but I've then used some of my scraps of paper, and anybody who knows me knows what I'm like about using all the bits up, but I've used some of the scraps of paper to actually add a little bit of patterning into the balloons there. And again, I've used my acetate, so you get that really fun sort of wobble, if you like, but once again, all folds up nicely, and you just pop it in an envelope. I think this one fits in about I think it goes in an 8x8. But you've got that perfect finish. When they take it out the envelope, it leaps into action. And what you could do with any of these is add maybe an age, maybe a 50 on there if you've got dies, or a 1 if it's the first birthday. And again, something for all the men in your life. So this one is a little different. This is actually a real tuxedo card, if you like. So we've got the bow tie here. This is a stamp. We've got the pocket on there as well, which has been stamped onto. We've used some of the brads that are in the box, and this has been cut with the die. And we have an inspiration booklet in the box that's got the full instructions to do all of these. I'm just very quickly going to show you 1 or 2 of the others. In your booklet, you will get a download instruction to actually make one of these. So this is a little gentleman's suit. Let me get my buttons the right way around. That way, there we go. So a little suit and tie for the guys in your life. Another one that we've done, this one has been done with the fabulous inks and the stamps that are in the box as well. Our Nikki did this one for us with the balloons. So you're getting the same colour sort of stamps as you're getting in your papers, so you can mix and match everything perfectly. And just a really simple one with some of the papers been stamped the tie on, and then cut out one of the stamps with the messages on, some of the ties in the background. And as a little added extra, just a secret between you and I, there are actually some female makes in the booklet as well, but let's let the guys think this is just for them. Please remember the closing date for this is the 20th of January. These are exclusive designs, so won't be seen again. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.